Viettiles Terrazzo Cement Tiles, artistic touch, lasting beauty. Every architectural masterpiece tells a story, and Viettiles Terrazzo Cement Tiles are the perfect bridge connecting the past, present, and future. If you're looking for durable, artistic, and timeless material, this is your ideal choice. Nature's finest, crafted from pure elements. Made from stone, sand, cement, pigments, and premium aggregates, each tile embodies the harmony between nature's raw beauty and artisan craftsmanship, ensuring an elegant yet eco-friendly solution for your space. Static press technology, strength that stands the test of time. Beyond aesthetics, Viettiles Terrazzo Cement Tiles are manufactured using high-intensity static pressing, creating a smooth, ultra-durable surface with excellent resistance to wear and tear, preserving its pristine beauty for years to come. A touch of art, elevating every space. From vintage cafes and luxurious restaurants to stylish homes, these tiles add a refined, unique charm that ignites inspiration. More than just building material, each tile is a piece of art beneath your feet, ready to elevate your space with timeless elegance. Contact us today for expert consultation and explore Viettiles' exclusive Terrazzo Cement Tile collection.